Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Most. Today I'm going to talk about the 5 most important statistical functions in NumPy. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So here we have an array of ages, and of course the ages would be something like 18 and then 20, let's say 25, 30 and 35. Just a sample, and we want to apply some statistical analysis on this array. And the most 5 important things are the minimum, the maximum, the average, the standard deviation, the variance. These are the most important things. Let's start applying them. So we have here this array, and let's say that we want to get the maximum number in this array. So we would type max, and then let's store the result in result equals to this, and then we print out the result, your result. Now if I save and run, as you can see, let me just zoom in so that you can see better. The result is 35 because the maximum number is 35 in this array. And of course, if the array is too large, it would be helpful. The reverse of the maximum is the minimum, which is min function, and it's going to return the smallest number in this array, which is 18. So we have now the maximum, the minimum. We also have a very important function called the mean, and it's mandatory whenever you are working with statistical analysis. So here, mean, and if I save and run, I'm gonna get 25.6, which is the mean, which is the average of these numbers. So it's very, very important. Another statistical function is the variance, which is var, which is going to return the variance. Now if I save and run, I'm gonna get 39.44, which is the variance of this set of numbers. And probably the most important one is the standard deviation, which has a function of std, which stands for the standard deviation. And if I save and run, I'm gonna get the standard deviation, which is 6.28. And of course, you need to have some knowledge in statistics in order to understand the standard deviation and variance and this stuff. But again, these functions, keep them close: the min, the max, the mean, the standard deviation, std, and the variance. So these are important functions when it comes to applying statistical analysis on a set of numbers. And of course, this time it was the ages. It could be salaries, it could be other things such as heights, weights. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. This is Most. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.